In Newry town I was bred and born, in Stephen's Green now I lie in scorn. I serve me time at the saddler's trade, and I always was a roving blade. At 17 I took a wife, and I loved her dearer than I loved my life. And for to keep her both fine and gay, I went robbing on the King's Highway. I never robbed any poor man yet, nor any tradesman caused I to fret. But I robbed lords and their ladies fine, and I carried their gold home to my heart's delight. To Covent Garden I took my way, with my dear wife for to see the play. Lord Fielding's men, they did me pursue, and taken was I by that cursed crew. My father cried, my darling son. My wife, she cried, I am undone. My mother tore her white locks and cried that in the cradle I should have died. When I am dead, I inform my grave a flashy funeral, pray let me have 6 highwaymen for to carry me, give them broadswords and sweet liberty. 6 pretty fair maids to bear my pall, give them white ribbons and green garlands all. When I am dead, they may speak the truth. He was a wild and a wicked youth. In Newry town